Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel a subscription on System.io. Whether you're switching to a different plan or simply no longer need the service, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to System.io. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you directly to your System.io dashboard, where you can access all your account settings and manage your subscriptions. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile avatar there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This is your central hub for all account configurations and where you'll find the tools to manage your active subscriptions. Once you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various menu options organized vertically. Click on Manage My Subscriptions. This section displays all the subscription plans currently associated with your account, making it easy to view and control your billing. However, in my case, I'm using a free trial account and I don't have any active subscriptions to cancel, but I'll show you what the next steps would look like if you did have an active subscription. Once you're in the Manage My Subscriptions section, locate the specific subscription you want to cancel from the list. Each subscription will be displayed with its details, including the plan type and renewal date. Next to that subscription, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to open a More Options menu. This menu contains several actions you can take regarding that particular subscription. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Cancel Subscription. This initiates the cancellation process for that specific plan, ensuring you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is System.io's way of making sure you really want to proceed with the cancellation, as this action will affect your access to premium features. In the pop-up, click Confirm to finalize the cancellation, and that's it. Your subscription is now canceled, and you won't be billed again for that plan. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.